Hi, good morning. My name is Edward Locke, and I'm your camp counselor. And I'm an artist and designer, graphic designer, and product designer. And I do all kinds of art. I'm a multimedia artist. I do painting, drawing, sculpture. But my favorite is to create a mosaic out of found object recyclable materials. And this will turn trash into treasure. And I'm going to show you how today. You know, every day we eat a lot of food and drink a lot of soft drink, and we wear a lot of clothes. And then we enjoy life, but we left something that is not so good. For example, we have a bunch of packages or older clothes that unless we recycle them, we will throw them away, and they will end up in dumpsters and eventually landfill. And this will pollute the environment. And this is also a waste of valuable resources. And we want to turn trash into treasures, okay? Here, you see the material we are going to use today. We have potpourri. Potpourri can be bought from 99-cent store, a dollar tree. But you can collect it from the nature too. And we have oyster shells. We have plastic bottles for detergent. We have thin plastic container for food, and thin plastic cover for the container, okay? And of course, we have a bunch of magazine, newspaper, and packages for all kinds of products you can imagine. And in the nature, we can collect dry leaves from trees and twigs, pebbles, and sand. And sometimes we have broken glasses, and we have straws, and then we have older broken shoes. Then we can use the tools to process this material, cutting them down into smaller pieces, if we can. This is a scissor, handsaw. These are used to cut thin plastic materials or rubber material into smaller pieces. And if we have glass, then we use a hammer. And we first rub broken glasses with towels. And then, of course, we need to wear gloves. And so we can protect ourselves against the danger of being cut. And then after we break all of this down, break all the material down, we use the tweezer to pick them up, okay? And this is for safety reason. And how we create a mosaic is easy. We use a crazy glue, which can glue everything from glass, metal, wood, or paper, or anything. And we glue them into, we glue them onto cardboard, okay? Or wood board. But before we do that, we need to draw some pictures on the wood board or cardboard. We can create our own pictures, but we can also use references from Google search. From Google image search, we can get a bunch of landscape pictures. And the pictures of bunnies. And of course, we don't want to copy them 100%. This is not creativity, this is cheating. This is plagiarism. Instead, we use them as reference to create our own bunny landscape. And after that, of course, we glue the materials onto the board. And voila, we turn trash into treasure. And I'm going to show you some work done by others. Okay, this piece is done with pebbles, shells, and others. This piece is done with regular material that is bought is called mosaic tiles. But you can mix barred mosaic tiles with quantum object, okay? This piece, you see screws, buttons, keychain, and a piece of mechanical piece from some equipment. I don't know what it is. So have fun and start your project. First thing is to cut the material into smaller pieces. And second thing is to draw pictures on the board. And the third, you apply a crazy glue, and then you use a tweezer to pick up the material and glue them into appropriate areas. And so I hope you enjoy this conversation and have fun.